Have you ever wished you could learn what your competitors are doing, especially in terms of posting? How often do they post? How is their engagement, on their pages? Have you ever wished to know exactly what your target audience is interested in your country, Which pages are they following? Are they following your competitors, or which pages are they most interested in? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Facebook Page Insight tool to check what your competitors are doing and also understand your audience. So let's go on to my screen and I'm going to show you how to navigate to that page. So once you're on your page, you go to business.facebook.com/home. Once you're there, you're going to see something like this. To navigate to your Insight tool, you just come here, click on a Meta Business Suite. You're going to land at something like this. This is your page. This is where you can see everything that you're doing there. And then you can come to this section here. It says Insights. Just click there. And at the Insight, you're going to see the overview. So the first section there that is highlighted is the overview. On overview, you can see what you've been doing in the last several days, 28 days. So you could see daily performance, and you can see here you can toggle this from Facebook page to your Instagram page to see what has been happening on those platforms. You could check your plan, what is it that you had planned to do. Check what is happening there. The daily results, you can see them there. You can see the reach, you can see the content interaction, followers, lifetime followers, and this is on IG. If you want to change, you can change it to Facebook. See all that. Then cumulative data, you can see it there, how you have accumulated your reach. Breakdown in terms of organic and in terms of ads. You can see there Facebook reach, post, number of posts, 9 posts you've dropped. You can see all this information here. You can see how you can create ads, messaging, conversation started. That's the overview basically that you can see there. Then there is the plan. So this, if you have a plan on content creation, you can view it there. You can come here and see the results. So results basically is showing you your goals there, what your goals are. If you set goals, then you're going to see the results there. So you can see, for me, I had said that by 3rd May, I should reach 91,000 people. And you can see that I'm 69%. I've hit it 69%. In terms of IG, I had set it at 15K in terms of reach. I have already surpassed that on IG. You can see in terms of reach, Facebook reach, IG reach, it's 21. And you can see the graphs there. Facebook visits, so people who are visiting my profile on Facebook. This is a very good data point to see how many people are actually clicking on your profile to go view it. This is also another important thing to check on your IG profile. You know how many people are clicking on your profile picture or on your profile name to visit your actual profile. So this means you need to start creating content for these people who are visiting your profile. So if you're running ads, and probably in most cases people who are running ads tend not to create organic content, but once you start seeing the number of people who are visiting your page or your profile, then you know that you need to create content for them. So that's something that you can get from there. So you can see their number of followers that has increased, number of IG followers, all that. Then there is this audience insight that you can get there. Now current audience, that's the number of people that you have currently on following you on Facebook and on IG. You can see it there broken down by gender, age and gender. So you can see there you have like 65% are men, 34% are women. That is on Facebook. On IG, I have 59% men, and 40% women. And you can see the age groups there have mostly 25 to 34 people age group. That's the one following me on Facebook. And this one is from 25 to 44. That's the age group that is following me most. In terms of towns, you can see where most of your followers are, and you can also see in terms of countries, top countries, you can see them there. Now that's your current audience. Now the best thing about this is the potential audience. You can see potential audience 14 to 16 million. This is mostly in Kenya, but you can change by clicking on filter. You can change the location. So let's say now I want to check Kenya as a country. You click there and you can see that in Kenya we have 14.4 to 16.9 million people who are using Facebook and IG, who are aged between 18 and 65. This is very good data for you to know. Now it becomes interesting when you come to interests, because now you can choose. So somebody who's interested in computers, let's see. So you can see there is about 6.3 on the higher side who are interested in computers, and you can see the age group there broken down in terms of age. Now those people are mostly in Nairobi. You can see 53% of them are in Nairobi, about 6% are in Mombasa. So most people who are using Facebook and IG are in Nairobi basically. Now the pages that they are following, so these people who are interested in computers, they are mostly following pages, the Citizen TV page, NTV, David Churchill, Tuko, Standard Digital, William Samoei. So you can see the pages that those people are interested in. So at some point when you're targeting your people, you could try and check whether you can get these as interests, on your audience. Target people who are interested in Churchill, target people who are interested in Citizen TV, create that audience when you're targeting, and then speak the language of computers, because remember what we are talking about when you're creating ad now. The best way to target is using the creative and the ad copy. So if you are to use these interests and then create very targeted messaging and creatives, you're going to target the people that you're looking for, because they are already interested in these, or they already like these pages, right? They are following those guys. So that's one of the best way you can know what your audience is interested in. Now another tool section that I would want to show you is the benchmarking tool. And this is very interesting, because now here you can check your page compared to other pages in your category. How are you matching up with them? And you can see, like, my business, in the last 28 days I've posted only 9 pieces. The best pages actually posting 20 pieces of content within the same time frame. So that's almost like a one post each day, right? So that's what I want to do. I want to be able to do a post a day if I want to match up to the people who are doing really well in my category. Now you can see there, in terms of Facebook followers, I have 5.4k higher than others. So that's typically 920. So most people in my category have around 920 followers. So follows typically higher than others. So basically people are following, most pages in my category are following about 10 people. Content interactions, it's also higher than the typical people or typical pages, because it's higher. It's at 100 and it's at 1.9, and it's usually 125. So you can see how you are stacking up against others. So you can come here, change it to IG, and see how you stack up against the others. So for me, my business, I haven't posted, or I have posted only 6 pieces of content. That's less than the 6 50th percentile. 50% of the businesses that are in my category are posting at least 14 pieces of content in the last 28 days, and 33 pieces of content on IG in the last 28 days. That's the 75%. Those that are top 25% of businesses are actually doing quite a lot, 33 pieces of content. And you can see there, I have my followers similar to others. In terms of follows, this is at least higher than others. Content interactions, you can see it's higher than others, but mine is higher than others because I'm using ads, right? So now pages to watch, this is really good because now here you are able to check your competitor businesses to see what they're doing, in terms of followers, lifetime Instagram follower, published content, you're able to see. So if I come here and search for, let's say, digital marketing, and I come for this one, Digital Bee Official, I'm just trying to look for a page with a high number of people, then add it. Then I'm able to compare. So in terms of followers, lifetime followers, they have 88K. I have 867. In terms of Instagram follower, you can see that they have dropped. I have increased. Published content, in the last 28 days, they have published 132, while I've only published 6, you see. You can then click here to remove from list, or even go to the Instagram profile. So I'm going to remove that and then change this to Facebook. Now on Facebook, you can see there I was checking Lelwin. This is a guy who's doing really well in terms of Facebook page and content. You can see in terms of content, in the last 28 days he has published 221 pieces of content. I've only published 2. You can see in terms of page likes, he has about 8.3k page likes added in the similar period, and he has 43k likes. So you can see there, you can check what your competitors are doing, or what the pages that you might think are doing really well. You can check what they are doing, the number of pieces of content they are doing there. You can click here, go to their pages, view on Facebook, and you can come here and check. You can see that number of followers, he has 178 followers. On the Meta Business Suite, you can see number of page likes is 46k. Followers are many, 178 followers, and you can see that he has a lot of content. So the way he's posting, in the last 1 month he has posted 221 pieces of content, and now I'm there also trying to be just as effective, but doing what? Having 9 posts per day. So you can see I'm able now to plan myself to post more times if I want to keep up. So that's how you check what your competitors are doing using Facebook Insight. That's also how you can plan your content. That's how you can use this tool to be successful in your organic and also paid advertising.